Hello and welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. I'm the Disney Stranger.
I'm Disney.
And today we're here in beautiful Anaheim, California. And what are we doing here in Anaheim, Disney?
We're going to Disneyland, California.
That's right, and we have a special tip for you if you are headed to Disneyland in California. If you are staying at a hotel close to the convention center and you don't feel like taking your car and parking it in the parking garage at Disneyland, which is over 30 bucks now, this is a great tip for you. You can keep your car at the hotel. We got a place at the Ramada Convention Center and it's free parking overnight, so we're not paying for parking at the hotel. And we're gonna walk to the Toy Story parking lot and you can pick up a shuttle to Disneyland from the parking lot. And that's what we're gonna do today. And we're gonna show you how easy and convenient this is. So here's the Harbor Boulevard right behind us there and in front of us. And Disney, let's go take the Toy Story parking lot shuttle to Disneyland because it's real close. It's only like a block from our hotel. So let's go check it out, guys. And welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. Here we are at Convention Center Way and Harbor Boulevard. And right here is Disney Parks parking. And we're gonna head inside here. It's a very quick 1 block for us. Okay guys, here's the car entrance to the parking lot. And it is $35 for automobiles and motorcycles. So we're not gonna pay for parking today, but we are gonna take the shuttle here from Toy Story parking lot. Once you go through the toll plaza, the buses are at the far end of the parking lot. This whole trip for us maybe is going to take about 7 minutes. If I was to walk the entire distance, it'd be about 20 minutes to actually get to the parks by walking. Now, for those who don't know, the Toy Story parking lot is not adjacent to any of Disneyland property near the parks. It's actually a few blocks down. And this is rumored to be possibly made into another resort or a theme park. A third gate possibly. We'll see how it goes. Again, this is ideal for people staying near the convention center. So there's a ton of hotels around the convention center that do not have overnight parking fees. As you get closer to Disneyland, the hotels do charge for parking overnight. So if you want to save a few bucks, this is a great way to go.
Is everybody ready to go to Disneyland? Yeah.
Are you ready, Disney?
Yes.
And off we go. So a really cool feature about going to the Toy Story parking lot is you go through security there at the parking lot. So when we get to Disneyland, we don't have to go to security at the drop-off center. And that's going to save you some time because usually those lines can be pretty big. And right here at the parking lot, the lines weren't bad at all. At least today they weren't. So guys, this bus trip only took us about 2 minutes. It could have been more than 2 minutes. It was really quick, very easy, very convenient. This is a great tip if you want to save some money and you want to save some time at Disneyland. I mean, I think I've taken longer to actually park in the Disneyland parking garage and get to the parks. Here when we get off the bus, it's maybe a 30 second walk. Hey guys, that was a fun trip, a great time, and I'm glad we took this journey here on the Toy Story shuttle buses. And in front of us is the gates to get in, and we're gonna bypass security like all these folks going in the park right now. Gonna have to go through security, and we already did that, so we're good, right?
Yeah.
So guys, have a great day, because we're gonna have a great day, right, Disney?
Yeah.
And remember, always remember,
Don't forget to walk forward. Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.